Alright, in my previous tutorial, one of my subscribers in the comment section asked this question from Vera Omari's vlog. I'm sorry if I'm not mentioning your name right. Thank you for sharing, bro. But I would like you to do a video on how to add many pictures on YouTube thumbnail. Vera, yes, you can add many pictures as you want, depending on what type of thumbnail that you want to create. So this is one example. This is cooking thumbnail. So there is 4 pictures on the thumbnail. I'm going to show you another example. This is also a vlogging thumbnail. So I want to add 3 pictures on this thumbnail. I will go to element and select flame and select type of frames that I want on this thumbnail. I will also select this one and select this one too. If you want to know more about flames, you can check on the screen, and also I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out. After selecting my flame, I'm going to add my photos to this flame. So I'll go to upload, or I'll select photos and use stock footages. So I think I have some photos over here. I will select this photo and drag it to the flame so you can see it's inside, and select this one and add it like this. And select the last one and also add it to the frame. Let me close this and zoom in for you to see it well. I hope this video will help you. If today is your first time on my channel, my name is Ernest. If you like the kind of content I do on this channel, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on post notification, and tell a friend about this channel. You can also share this video to your loved ones. I also have another amazing Canva tutorial on the screen. You can also watch them for me. Until we meet again, peace out.